Welcome back to the Nightcap and happy holidays. We're going to keep it simple, making a better than average drink in less than average time. Everyone's got some cranberry juice, everyone's got some vodka. You probably just want to mix it together. Let's go ahead and show you exactly what those measurements are. So we're going to start out with vodka. We're going to go kettle 1, and it's going to be 1.5 ounces. So we'll pour that here and dump it in on top of some ice. And then we have some pre-measured cranberry juice, which is 3 ounces. So it's gonna be a 2-to-1 ratio. That way you get some of the vodka flavor, some of the cranberry flavor, but not too much of either one. So that's 3 ounces of the cranberry. We're gonna give it a little stir, doesn't need much, it's pretty simple. We got the ice in there, and then garnish it with a lime. Here's Butte Clark. Cheers.